So I'm just showing you guys what I did from scratch, right? I'm gonna add it in my container. So I am gonna squish it out. Hey natural lovers, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. Before I get into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, blow up the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Let's jump right into the video. It's been actually 1 year since I haven't treat my hair, so I am going to be showing you guys how I make this. I'm gonna be adding this to my hair. All right, so I'm gonna be using this one egg. So I'm gonna be using the egg white from it. This is the olive oil that I have. If you have virgin olive oil, that's fine. And I have this avocado, and I have my steam cap. I also have this popsicle thing, so I'm going to be using this to apply the avocado mixture to my hair. All right, so I am going to be cutting my avocado. So I'm just showing you guys what I did from scratch. Alright, so I am going to be smashing the avocado out. So this is optional, so if you have a blender you can use a blender, but I am using this method. So basically I am just smashing and mixing the avocado. Next, I am going to be adding some olive oil. I probably use 2 to 3 carts full of olive oil. Then I am going to add my egg white. So I don't want the yolk to get in, so I'm just adding the egg white only. So I'm gonna rest this right here, and then I'm gonna mix everything together. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to apply it to my hair now. All right guys, so what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be applying the avocado mix to my hair. So I section my hair into 4 sections, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to start off in the front section, but first let me protect my clothes by putting this towel over my shoulder. So I section my hair into 4 sections, right? And I am going to be starting in the front section. What I'm going to be doing, I am going to be sectioning off that section again. Next, I am going to be applying the avocado hair mask from the root of my hair all the way down to my hair end. And basically what I'm doing is just massaging it in. this popsicle thing that I was using to apply the avocado hair mask to my hair, it was a bit of a struggle. The avocado hair mask was dripping on my clothes, so I just decided to put it down, and why not use my finger. Alright guys, so I pulled out back the twist. So now I am going to be adding my steam cap over my head. So I'm gonna steam my hair for an hour and then I'll check in back with you. So after I finish steaming my hair for an hour, I am going to wash my hair out with VO5 shampoo and condition, and then I'll see you guys in a few, so stay tuned. When I come back, I am going to be applying some moisturizer to my hair and ZP11 to my hair. Alright, natural lovers, so I am back. So I just finished wash out the avocado mixture. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna comb in my hair out, and I'm going to be using this towel to pat dry my hair. I won't be using any blow dryer in my hair. Just an important point, natural lovers, one of the best way to detangle your hair is as soon as you wash your hair and it has in water. It is really super quick, and really it is manageable that way. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing, I am going to be adding this Do Grow Mega Thick Lotion in my hair. After my hair is being air dry, I am going to come back and add my ZP11 to my scalp. Protect my hair from flakiness, dry scalp, itchiness, and I'll see you guys in a few, so stay tuned. My hair is air dry. I am gonna go right ahead and add my ZP11 to my hair scalp. So next thing is that I am going to be doing some big twists. So I'm just going to be twisting my hair into 4. I am not gonna go on the road today. I'm gonna be at home all day, so I'm just gonna put my bonnet over my head. Natural lovers, so if you have made it to the end of the video, big up yourself, you are a real one. So natural lovers, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell and click on all. Until next time.